So my dear students, welcome back to the second part of Unit 5 revision test. So in this video, we are going to have a test of 45 questions. The first question, which one of the following statements about morula in humans is correct? Option 1, it has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleavaged zygote, but much more DNA. Second option, it has far less cytoplasm as well as DNA than in an uncleavaged zygote. Option 3, it has more or less equal quantity of cytoplasm and DNA as in uncleavaged zygote. Option 4, it has more cytoplasm and more DNA than an uncleavaged zygote. So which is the right answer? The right answer is the option D. Next question. Infectious proteins are present in Gemini virus, prions, viroids, satellite virus. The right answer for the question is prions. The third question, mark the correct one regarding typlosole. The first option, internal median fold of ventral intestinal wall. Second one, extends from 20th to 35th segments. Option 3, increases the surface area for absorption. Option 4, decreases the surface area for absorption. So which is the right one? Option C is the right one, increases the surface area for absorption. Fourth question, the vitamins required to maintain bone density. Vitamin A and C, vitamin C and D, vitamin B and C, vitamin A and E. Which is the right answer? Option B, vitamin C and D is the right answer. Cervical vertebrae differ from other vertebrae in having spinous process, centrum, transverse process, transverse foramen. Which is the right one? Option D, transverse foramen is the right answer. Sixth question, protein on reaction with which yields Ruhimann's purple? Is it 9-hydrine or Cu2 plus H2O2 or Benedict's solution? Which is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Skeletal muscles are controlled by sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, somatic nervous system. Sympathetic and parasympathetic, both, that means both the nervous system. Which is the right answer for the seventh question? Somatic nervous system is the right answer. The 8th question, cytokinin involves kinetin, zeatin, BAP. This is the first option. Second option, GA3, IBA, kinetin. Third option, zeatin, GA3 and BAP. Fourth option, IAA, zeatin and kinetin. Which is the right one? Option A, kinetin, zeatin, BAP is the right answer. 9th question, adrenocorticoids are released from adrenal cortex, thyroid gland, adrenal medulla, gonads. What is the right answer? Adrenal cortex is the right answer. Which of the following has highest pH value? Human saliva, human blood, gastric juice, urine. Option B, human blood is the right answer. 11th question, which exocrine glands are present in the skin? Sweat gland, eccrine. Option B, sweat gland and merocrine. Option C, sweat gland and apocrine. Option D, sweat gland and sebaceous gland. Which is the right answer? Option D is the right answer. Growth hormone and thyroxine increase the length of bone, muscle, RBC, nerve cell. Option B, muscle is the right answer. Which of the following is not the feature of red muscle fibers? Option A, they have plenty of mitochondria. Option B, they have high content of myoglobin. Option C, they have high amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum. Option D, they are called aerobic muscles. Option C, they have high amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum is the right answer. During conduction of nerve impulse, Na plus moves into axoplasm. Na plus moves out of axoplasm. K plus moves into axoplasm. Ca plus moves into axoplasm. Which is the right one? Option A, Na plus moves into axoplasm is the right answer. Which of the following is correct mode of reproduction? Budding in yeast, fragmentation in Sporangella, zoospore in amoeba, binary fission in hydra. Budding in yeast is the right answer. Which of the following option is correct? Ostichitis, 4 pairs of gill slits, they are covered by operculum. Chondrichids, 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. Arthropoda, metamerism and excretion by nephridia. Platyhelminthes, they have bilateral symmetry and coelomate. Example, Thyinia and Fasciola. Which is the right option? Option A is the right answer. Identify the given diagram and its effect. You can click on the diagram also. Cannabinoid affects cardiovascular function. Option B, morphine, CNS depressant. Option C, cocaine, euphoria. Option D, smack, psychedelic effect. Which is the right answer for the 17th question? Option A is the right answer. Weakness of muscles and bones in elderly occurs due to deficiency of vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, or vitamin A. Once again, option A is the right answer, vitamin D. CO2 combines with HP to form carbaminohemoglobin, carboxyhemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin, methemoglobin. Which is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. All the digestive enzymes like carbohydrates, protease, lipase, DNase, RNase are found in lysosome, peroxisome, glyoxysome, vacuole. Option A, lysosome, is the right answer. 21st question. Optimum pH value for the activation of pepsinogen is 1.5 to 2, 6, 8, 10. Which is the right value? 1.5 to 2 is the right answer. Select the correct matching from the following. Cuboidal epithelium, alveolar wall, columnar epithelium, stomach, ciliated epithelium, intestine, squamous epithelium, germinal epithelium. So which is the correct matching? Columnar epithelium, stomach is the right option. Which group of hormones is natural? IAA, IBA, NAA. So this is option A. In option B, IAA, GA3 and ABA. Option 3, 2,4D, kinetin and ABA. Option 4, GA3, zeatin and NAA. Which is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. In smooth and cardiac muscles, cell junctions are represented by gap junction, desmosomes, tight junction, zonuloculudens. Which is the right answer? For the 24th question, option A, gap junction is the right answer. 25th question, which of the following process of urine formation takes place all along the renal tubule and collecting duct? Option A, ultrafiltration and tubular reabsorption. Option B, ultrafiltration and tubular secretion. Option C, tubular reabsorption and secretion. Option D, anti-current mechanism and reabsorption. The right answer for the question is tubular reabsorption and secretion. Given below is the table comparing the effects of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system for 4 features. Which one feature is correctly described? Let me show one by one. Look at that. First feature is salivary glands, and with respect to the sympathetic nervous system, it simulates secretion. In the parasympathetic nervous system, it inhibits secretion. So look at the option A. Is it right? Let's show me the second option. Pupil of the eye is the feature. Dilate is the sympathetic nervous system, and constricts in the case of parasympathetic nervous system. Let me show the third option. Heart rate is the feature. Decreases for the first case, increases for the second case. Is it right? Option 4, intestinal peristalsis. And for the first case, it stimulates. In the second case, it inhibits. That means, in the sympathetic nervous system, it stimulates. In parasympathetic nervous system, it inhibits. The right answer for this question is option B, pupil of the eye. So here is the detailed explanation. If you want to access the detailed explanation from our mobile application, please download VVGURU app. You can type VVGURU app in the Google Play Store. You can get the mobile application. You can access the full content, all the contents of our mobile application till the 15th August. So hurry up and download and get signed into the mobile application. Okay. So after 15th August, it will be converted into the paid version. So try to utilize before the August 15. A cricket player is fast chasing the ball in the field. Which one of the following groups of bones are directly contributing in this movement? Femur, malleus, tibia, metatarsals. This is the first option. Second option, pelvis, ulna, patella, tarsals. Third option, sternum, femur, tibia, fibu. Fourth option, tarsals, femur, metatarsals, tibia. The right answer for this question is option D, tarsals, femur, metatarsals, tibia. Tadpoles of frog can be made to grow as giant-sized tadpoles if they are administered antithyroid substance like thiourea. Second option, administered large amounts of thyroxine. Third option, reared on a diet rich in the egg yolk. Fourth option, reared on a diet rich in both egg yolk and glucose. The right answer for the 28th question is administered antithyroid substance like thiourea. That is option A is the right answer. Which of the following is an eye disease? Hepatitis, measles, glaucoma, bronchitis. Glaucoma is the eye disease. The black pigment in the eye, which reduces the internal reflection, is located in retina, iris, cornea, and sclerotic. Which is the right answer? Retina is the right answer. Hearing impairment affects which part of the brain? Is it frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, or cerebellum? For the 31st question, option C, temporal lobe is the right answer. Which of the following match is correct? Emphysema, reduction of surface area of alveoli and bronchi. Pneumonia, occupational disease with asbestos. Silicosis, inflammation of alveoli. Fourth option, asthma, excessive secretion of bronchial mucus. Which is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Question number 33. The component of blood which prevents its coagulation in the blood vessels is hemoglobin, plasma, thrombin, heparin. Which is the right one? Option D, heparin is the right answer. One common example of simple reflex is tying your shoelaces while talking to another person and not looking at them. Watering of mouth at the sight of the favorite food. Climbing up a stairs in a dark without stumbling. Closing of eyes when strong light is flashed across them. Which is the right one? Option D, closing of eyes when strong light is flashed across them. Injury to a vagus nerve in humans is not likely to affect tongue movements, gastrointestinal movements, pancreatic secretion, cardiac movements. Option A, tongue movements is the right answer. A lake near a village suffered heavy mortality of fishes within a few days. Consider the following reason for this. First one, lots of urea and phosphate fertilizer were used in the vicinity. Option 2, the area was sprayed with DDT by an aircraft. Option 3, the lake water turned green and stinky. Option D, phytoplankton phytoplankton pollutions in the lake declined initially, thereby greatly reducing photosynthesis. Which is the right answer? Lots of urea and a phosphate fertilizer were used in the vicinity is the right answer. When a man inhales air containing the normal concentration of oxygen as well as carbon monoxide, he suffers from suffocation because CO reacts with O2 and reducing its percentage in air. Hemoglobin combines with CO instead of O2 and forms carboxyhemoglobin. Third option, CO affect the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Fourth option, CO affects the nerves of the lungs. So which is the right one? Option B is the right one. Hemoglobin combines with CO instead of O2 and forms carboxyhemoglobin. 38th question. A patient of diabetes mellitus excretes glucose in urine even when he is kept in a carbohydrate-free diet. It happens because fats are catabolized in adipose tissues to form the glucose. Amino acids are catabolized in kidney to form the glucose. Amino acids are discharged in the bloodstream from the liver. Glycogen from the muscles is released into the bloodstream. Option A is the right answer. Enzymes, vitamins, and hormones can be classified into the single category of biological chemicals because all of these enhance oxidative metabolism or conjugated proteins are exclusively synthesized in the body of a living organism at present. Help in regulating the metabolism. Option D, help in regulating metabolism, is the right answer. Which one of the following is a sesamoid bone? Pelvis, patella, pterygoid, pectoral girdle. Option B, patella, is the right answer. So we have the last 5 questions. Duodenum has characteristic Brunner's gland which secretes 2 hormones called prolactin, parathormone, secreting cholecystokinin. Third option, enterochinin, diocrin. Fourth option, gastrin and utrogastrin. Which is the right answer? Here the option B is the right answer. Forty-second question. Which of the following is correct about the given figure? Look at the figure. Option A is the length of the thick and thin myofilaments has changed. Option B, length of both anisotropic and isotropic band has changed. Third option, The myosin cross bridges move on the surface of actin, and the thin and thick myofilaments slide past each other. Fourth one, the length of the sarcomere remains same. The right answer is option C. Which of the following disease is also called Christmas disease? Sickle cell anemia, haemoglobinura, myocardial infarction, hemophilia B. The option D is the right answer. Which one is correct regarding ECG, electrocardiograph? P wave represents the electrical excitation of the ventricle. QRS complex represents repolarization of the ventricles. T wave represents repolarization of the atria. The last option. By counting the number of QRS complexes, one can able to determine the pulse rate. So which is the right answer for the question number 44? Option D. By counting the number of QRS complexes, we can able to find the pulse rate. That is the right answer. Last question of this second part of Unit 5. In a 50-gram living tissue, what would be the amount of water? 15 to 25 grams, 25 to 30 grams, 35 to 45 grams, 70 to 90 grams. The right option is 35 to 45 grams. Option C is the right one. Okay, actually I missed the 7th question. That is why I have it has been showing again. 7th question. Skeletal muscles are controlled by sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, somatic nervous system, both the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Question number 7. Option C, somatic nervous system is the right answer. So this is the end page you will be getting once you practice the test in our mobile application. You can review the quiz also. If you go to the review of the quiz, you can able to find the answers, detailed answers. If you given the wrong answers, it will show that you have given the wrong answers, but the solution of the question is the so and so. So in this manner, you can able to check the answer for each and every question from our mobile applications. So you can close the review after you have completed the questions. Okay. Thank you, my dear students, for watching this second part of Unit 5, Biology Unit 5 revision. So as you told already, this weekend, Sunday, that is date 25th. In 25th July, we will publish a botany test, entire botany of class 11. because as you know that according to the latest notification, the NEET 2000 in the NEET 2021 question paper, the biology divided into two parts, botany and zoology. So you have to prepare and you have to take the mock test separately. So this Sunday we will provide you the mock test on botany. Okay, thank you guys, take care.